Welcome, crafty hackers! Today we're going to continue our beloved celebrity-style DIY series. From cute crops to poolside attire, watch and learn how to create these fierce looks. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Crafty Hackers for awesome DIY tips and tricks. DIY celebrity clothes. Get yourself a black sports bra. Now put that aside. Next, get some black tights. With scissors, cut your tights above the knee level. There you go. Presenting classic athleisure look. It's that simple and super chic, not to mention really comfy. Next, we have Selena Gomez's adorable unicorn top. Take a picture of the sweater, remove the background in Photoshop, and print it out. Be sure to print the unicorn on Avery's printable paper. Next, cut out the unicorn. Lay out your pink sweater and place the unicorn decal onto the center of the sweater's chest area. Place some parchment paper over it and iron it down. Cut off the hoodie and the bottom, making your sweater into a crop top. Wow, it's just like the original! Now we're totally 20 with Miss Gomez. Totally cute with a pair of high-waisted denim. Next, we have ourselves a Kylie Jenner poolside look. Start with the neon green headband. Open it up and lay it flat. Cut the fabric on a curved diagonal, to create the shape of your bottom piece. Fold it again and cut out a small V from the top. Take your second headband and lay it flat. Cut straight in, about an inch or two, then make a slit to the left and then one to the right. Use the open edges to tie a sleeve together. Make sure to stretch the material so the sleeve is wide enough. And that's it, a simple and stylish look. Rock it, girl, and be ready for your next beach or poolside occasion. Instagram ready, obviously. Okay, so Ariana Grande is making waves with her signature style these days. Starting with a purple hoodie and finishing off with a distressed shirt. Let's do it! Cut off unwanted elements like pockets. Use a pair of small scissors or a seam ripper to remove the stitches. You can cut the bottom part off. Now go ahead and cut that hood off. You'll now need rubber bands, rubber gloves, a sponge, and bleach. Put on the gloves, scrunch the sweater into a ball, and use the rubber bands to hold it. Dip into the bleach and tap lightly. Let it dry. Then start snipping the rubber bands. Now twist pieces of the shirt and cut, creating holes. Next, get black acrylic or fabric paint, a beauty sponge, and notepad paper. Pour your paint onto your paper and gently use the sponge to tap around the hole's edges. Repeat for all of them. Let the paint dry and attach thin chains by gluing from the inside out. All done and looking fab. Pro tip, rock these with a pair of knee-high boots and you're golden. Okay, so dear friend of Gigi, Kendall Jenner, also has some street style cred, and we love this cute red top. So to begin, get yourself a basic red t-shirt. Glue the edges back together. Secure it by pressing down. The trick here is to let it dry. Now pay attention. Cut down the front center and then cut from the same point diagonally on each side, creating a small V. Then tie together 2 small bows. Stitch a button above and pour some glitter on. Next, pull out your pink sequin tape and glue a piece onto each edge of your V-neck. And looky! From a basic tee to a glitzy top that you can layer for your most extra of looks.
Whoa, look at her. Just might have to throw the book at her. Just might chill and cook with her. Booty like boom da ba doom ba. Hey, dance floor right now. Girl like more wild. Looking like whoa now. Look at that and that style. Shorty got a round thing. Downtown in the club on a proud thing. She don't care what the crowd thinks. She can walk.
Gigi Hadid, fashion's princess. She does it right every time pretty much, so let's take pointers from our girl. Get your hands on a cropped turtleneck sweater. Get some pretty jewels that match and place them. Use hot glue to make them stick. Use some hollow strips and cut the pieces in place. Go ahead and cover the entire chest area. Now throw in some sparkly sticky rhinestones. Here's the before. And just check out this after. A perfect sweater to be worn with a pair of high-waisted jeans or pencil skirt. Okay, so Gigi also happens to be a streetwear rock star. To recreate it, get yourself a plain white tee. Go into Word on your computer and type in your phrase. Then make the font large, like you see here. Now print it out onto Avery printable fabric paper. Cut out the words very close to their edges. Cover it with parchment paper and use a hot iron on top to press it down. And that's it. You got a sassy little slogan that you can rock out and about and let the boys know what's up. Let's pull a little inspo from It Girl Taylor Swift. Get a loose fitted striped shirt and cut the sleeves into t-shirt length. Next, cut down the back center about halfway and take each corner to tie into a knot. So here's what it looked like before. Basic. Here's what it looks like now. Wow, the bow in the back is darling. Just might be a notch above Taylor's look. Next, we have our red carpet look, also by Taylor Swift from the 2016 Grammy Awards. This vibrant two-piece crop top and pink bottom floor-length skirt is everything. So, start with the plain pink t-shirt. Time to get snipping. Go ahead and carefully cut the shoulder seams and one seam along the side. The shirt should flap open. Then cut off the sleeves and stitched edges. Add hot glue to the edge and fold over to create a belt loop. Grab yourself a shiny belt and weave it through the belt loop. Repeat the same process with a second pink shirt. Adjust the belt buckle, and there you have your skirt portion. Next, get yourself a simple headband and make sure to have double-sided sticky Velcro on hand. Cut it open, make sure it's stretchy, and loosen it up a bit. Cut it in half and do the same for a second headband of the same color. Grab a needle and thread and get to sewing those edges together like the boss lady you really are. Stitch only one side together and add Velcro to the other. Stick the fluffy side onto the glued down Velcro pieces. And there's your tube top, done and done. We hope you liked part 2 of a celebrity-style DIY series. Drop a comment below to let us know which looks you'd like to see next. Take it easy and be sure to subscribe to catch all of our handy little DIYs.